Doncaster Fear Factory is back for 2023. Nestled deep in the woodlands with lots of roaming spooky characters, this event features 5 beautiful haunted houses with high energy performers. Hey, this is Stu for Out and Back Travel. I make videos like this one to help inspire your own attraction adventures. Coming up in this episode, I'll give you 5 largely spoiler-free reasons to put Doncaster Fear Factory in your scare schedule for 2023. Wasn't there a movie about not going inside a cabin in the woods? Sheet scared. Ugh, I hate doing the filing too. Hey Brittany. I always knew he had a drink problem. Doncaster Fear Factory returns for the 2023 season for selected nights through October. Full disclaimer, I was invited along to the press night, so I was gifted tickets. However, here on Out and Back, I'll always give you my unbiased views, and I wouldn't recommend anything I wasn't willing to spend my own money on. This is the third year of Doncaster Fear Factory at its current location, located at Thornhurst Manor, a wedding venue and golf course just outside Doncaster, and this is actually my second year of attending the event. It's definitely worth tripping and not skipping, and I've got 5 good reasons to convince you to make the trip yourself to South Yorkshire to get those willies. First up then, it has to be the unique location. Doncaster Fear Factory has a slightly unusual setting for a Halloween scare event. We are used to seeing them in theme parks or farms, but this one takes place inside a forest, and what could be more chilling and scary than wandering deep into the woods with atmospheric lighting, rolling fog and wandering characters. Reason number 2 to visit Doncaster Fear Factory is the variety of the event. Variety is the spice of life, and it certainly brings a nuttier, crunchier, fuller texture to this event. There's 5 scare mazes for 2023, and each one has its own completely individual tone and style. This means each one will scare you in completely different ways, so it doesn't get predictable or samey. The individual concepts and styles of each of the haunts will keep you on your toes, which is perfect for bringing those scares. The variety of scare maze is definitely helped by reason number 3 to visit, the incredible sets. Can I just mention how good the sets are and the scale of them? One of the scenes was even double height, and for a pop-up event in the woods, that's pretty incredible. Not only is the theming on point, the detail of the set dressing really helps to create that immersive environment, so you believe you're in the inner sanctum of a church, crawling into a mine shaft, exploring a burning cottage, or of course going to Donny's best nightclub. And bringing those amazing sets to life, reason to visit number 4, great actors. Having visited Doncaster Fear Factory over the past couple of years, the performers always deliver a high energy performance. Some of the mazes had a more theatrical style, and the actors delivered this well and convincingly to bring the experience alive. The performance is quite intense on the scare maze scale. They will get very close and certainly invade your personal space. There is indeed touching and grabbing. Oh no, watch your leg, Jay. All this brings a more intense level of scare, so you really will be jumping out of your skin. And finally, reason number 5 to visit Doncaster Fear Factory in 2023 is you've got to support your independent haunt event. Halloween events have become such an important part of the calendar each year. While we do have the established big players in the industry and the theme park ones, we have to show some love and support to the independent operators like Doncaster Fear Factory, especially as they are doing it so well. While only being in its 3rd year at the present location, Doncaster Fear Factory does have a long-rooted history of horror entertainment with some incredible talents behind the scenes, which is why honestly you get such a good quality of experience. So that wraps up our 5 reasons to visit Doncaster Fear Factory in 2023. It's great to see the event expanded from last year with the addition of the new maze, and also some tweaks that have really improved the returning mazes too. The highly energetic and intense performers really bring the terror. The variety of scare mazes and unique setting make Doncaster Fear Factory a staple of my Halloween calendar each year. So what do you think? Will you be visiting Doncaster Fear Factory in 2023? And if you have been, what was your favourite maze? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, until next time, stay safe on the way out and back.